Story time.
In the vast expanse of the night sky, Radiant shone like a beacon, spreading magic and hope to all who gazed upon it. One fateful night, Radiant observed the dreams losing their sparkle, their colors fading into the void of the night. The velvet sky, once a canvas of depth and mystery, now lay flat and lifeless under Radiant's scrutiny, causing unrest among the dreams. The dreams, beings of light and purity, sought guidance from Radiant, their glow flickering with uncertainty. Determined, Radiant gathered the dreams, their soft light trailing behind like a beacon of hope in the darkened sky. The journey was fraught with challenges, swirling winds and ominous shadows threatening to deter Radiant and the dreams. As they delved deeper, a massive cloud emerged, casting a deep shadow over Radiant and the dreams, threatening to engulf them in darkness. With unwavering determination, Radiant shone brighter than ever before, piercing through the shadow with beams of light, banishing the darkness. With the shadow defeated, the velvet sky regained its depth, swirling with rich hues once more, as the dream's sparkle returned, illuminating the night. The dreams danced joyfully around Radiant, their lights intertwining in a beautiful display of colors and patterns, filling the night with enchantment. Standing proud amidst the now brilliant night sky, Radiant gleamed brightly, a beacon of hope and inspiration for all who gazed upon the sky.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.